अनफेयर. नो सर,
आप डाइवर्ट कर रहे हैं.
नहीं हो सकता साहब. ये दिस इज सर, आई रिक्वेस्ट ऑनरेबल मेंबर, a senior member. Now it's a high time why we have to stand up. We have to stand up before all the 57 new members and show our eminence. Please try to understand. We are on the serious subject on the state finances. If I request honorable member, because the TRS doesn't have any reply on this, so they just want to sidetrack the issue. Please understand, Akbar bhai. Akbar bhai, if they have the guts, try to speak on the subject. If you have any subject, try to speak on this subject. Don't try to sidetrack the subject, sir. Sir, if there are any unparliamentary votes, either on our treasury benches side or in their side, try to remove or expunge from the record, sir. I request honorable member Akbaruddin Sahab to conclude on the subject. My request to him, sir.
Please.
Because anyway, TRS is not interested to discuss on this subject. They are running away from this subject and they are trying to instigate the members, sir. Try to understand, sir.
Please, Akbar Sahab. Akbar Sahab. Please. Subject बात करें सब.
Sir, Honorable Speaker, sir, I would like to come on record and also clarify on one last thing which is very important. Honorable Chief Minister Saab had said that it was Congress which gave the 4%. Let me remind and correct, that time he was not in Congress. That time he was, I don't know.